Hello friends, today fourth lecture. This lecture is level of business strategy. So in picture, in diagram, business strategy level, corporate level, business level and functional level. First is corporate level strategy. Corporate level strategy is long range, action oriented, integrated and comprehensive plan formulated by the top management. It is used to accretion business lines, expansions and growth, takeover and mergers, diversification, integration, new area for investment and divestment and so forth. Second, business level strategy. This strategy that relate to a particular business are known as business level strategies. It is developed by the general managers who convert mission and vision into create strategies. It is like a blueprint of the entire business. Third is functional level strategy, developed by the first line managers or supervisors. Functional level strategy involve decision making at the operational level, conquering particular functional area like marketing, production, human resources, research and development, finance, and so on. In business, there is always a need for multiple strategies at various levels, as a single strategy is not only inadequate but improver too. Therefore, a typical business structure always process three levels. Nature of business strategy. A business strategy is combination of proactive action on the part of management for the purpose of enhancing the company's market position and overall performance and reactions to unexpected developments and new market conditions. The maximum parts of the company's present strategy is a result of formally incited action and business approaches. But when market conditions take an unanticipated turn, the company requires a strategic reaction to cope up with continuous hints for unforeseen development. A part of the business strategy is formulated as a result response. What is case study? यहाँ पर हम एक केस स्टडी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. उससे पहले केस स्टडी क्या होता है इसके बारे में थोड़ा जान लें. अ केस स्टडी इज ए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ थॉट लीडरशिप content that tell a story. Case study are narratives that future real world situation are use of products for service to demonstrate their value. A well written case study will follow a customer as they define a problem, determine a solution, implement it and reap the benefits. Case study offer readers the ability to see a situation from the customer perspective from beginning to end. Why case study are important? A marketing case study is one of the most compelling content item in your sales funnel. It's a perfect way to guide people into the through the decision phases when they have the best option laid out on the table and they are ready to puzzle thought that final selection. Because on this case study are uniquely useful as bottom of the funnel connect. यहाँ एक डायग्राम दिखाया गया है जिसमें केस स्टडी के बारे में बताया गया है कि किस तरीके से सोसाइटी या बिजनेस में हम केस स्टडी कैसे करें. By the time prospect are ready to read case study, they have a new nuanced gaps of the problem in front of them. They also have good selection of potential solution and vendor to choose from. There may be more than one option that's suitable for a given situation. In fact, there usually is, but this just one option that first the pro- prospect best. The challenges is figuring out which one. Since B2B decision makers are not mind readers, they need content to bridge the gap between what they know about your solution and what they know about their own business. The case study does that, the showing how a similar customer succeeds. The more similar the prospect is to the customer in the case study, the more strict it will be. For the reason, you might want to have a case study for every buyer person you serve. And naturally, case studies person and specific products or services, not your whole brand. So you would find yourself with multiple case study for each buyer's type. However, the effort is worth in since case study have a direct impact on sales figure. The best case study format, like press releases, case studies often fall into a certain specific format. While it is not required that you have all of the possible topics in a particular order. Picking a consistent format will help you accelerate production down a road. It also make you content easier to read. Many B2B businesses use of the following approaches. Introduction sets the stage by providing context for the situation. Challenges discuss the key problem that the customer was facing. Solution, a basic overview of the product or service the customer used. Benefit, recap the solution's top advantage, why it was the right choice. And last, result, the possible business outcome arising from the solution and benefits. The formula gives you enough flexibility to highlight what's most important about your enterprise solution and the customer you are showcasing. At the same time, it ensures that you turn a team will know exactly what information they need to compile to design case study in the future. It also serves as an intuitive trail of what come for your intent reader. यहाँ एक केस स्टडी जो बायोमेट्रिक्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ट्रेवल एंड द पैसेंजर एक्सपीरियंस का मैं लिया हूँ, जो यहाँ दिखाया जा रहा है अलग अलग फिगर के साथ. बायोमेट्रिक्स इन प्रोसेस ऑफ रेडिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन द पैसेंजर एक्सपीरियंस at airport, making into only quicker but also much less stressful and more secure. In this study, we'll be looking into the following question. What are the challenges that air passenger travel faces today? Why biometric is so closely related to identity? What type of biometrics is currently the most effective way of identifying passengers? What is the future of biometrics in travel? We will explain how biometrics and face recognized in particular can be combined with new self-services solution to help meet the challenges of society, security, quality of service and the sustainable growth in air passenger member. ever increasing passenger flow. Wealth and job creation. Face recognition on the front line. ये सब टॉपिक्स में केस स्टडी किया गया है, यहाँ पर पिक्चर में दिखाया भी गया है. ट्रेवल्स हु आर इन हुरे और इवन स्टेट एंड आर मोर interested in making purchases in the duty free shop than waiting to drop off their bags or remove their shoes and belts when going through the security. आप इसे पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पूरा बायोमेट्रिक्स के बारे में बताया गया है. जैसे यहाँ पर बायोमेट्रिक डेटा एंड पैसेंजर ट्रेवल, एक बायोमेट्रिक्स कैसे काम करेगा. No more placing figure in readers as with the older generation gets. Just smile at your laptop or check in terminal. This equipped biometric identifier will stay with you until your departure, with no infringement whatsoever of the regulatory framework. इन यूरोप का है पर एग्जाम्पल लिया गया है. द डायरेक्टिव ऑन द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ बायोमेट्रिक डेटा, और चित्र में बायोमेट्रिक डेटा के पूरे दिखाए गए हैं, नाम वगैरह. बायोमेट्रिक की फॉर पैसेंजर ऑथेंटिकेशन. ऑथेंटिकेशन कैसे करेंगे. ऑथेंटिकेशन ऑफ द फ्लाई में कैसे ऑथेंटिकेशन होगा, DNA वगैरह को लिया जाएगा. बायोमेट्रिक्स फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड ऑथेंटिकेशन. बायोमेट्रिक्स उसके आइडेंटिफिकेशन को भी पहचानेगा और ऑथेंटिकेशन को भी पहचानेगा. नो बायोमेट्रिक्स सेंट्रल डेटाबेस, जहाँ नो बायोमेट्रिक्स नहीं है उसका डेटाबेस भी दिखाया गया है कि कैसे प्रॉब्लम आएगी, ये दिखाया गया है चित्र में. फ्यूचर ऑफ बायोमेट्रिक्स एंड ट्रेवल. नो यूर पैसेंजर, फ्यूचर में कैसे होगा. KYC क्या चीज़ है. नो यूर कस्टमर, आप उसको कैसे पहचान करेंगे, फ्यूचर्स में भी आएगा. ये क्लाउड डिजिटल आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे. यहाँ पर एक पिक्चर दिखाया गया. अ सिंप्लीफाइड एंड सिक्योर एक्सपीरियंस फ्लाइट अप टू द मोमेंट यूर हेड हियर थॉस द मैजिक वर्ल्ड. वेलकम टू अवॉर्ड. द शेप ऑफ ट्रेवल टू कम अ फुली इन सेल्फ सर्विस एक्सपीरियंस थैंक टू बायोमेट्रिक्स. The self-service experience a must for both travelers and operators. यहाँ पर over 1000 million e-passport in circulation बांटा गया है. 12 million इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पासपोर्ट भी दिया गया है, चित्र में दिखाया गया है. The biometrics experience, what are we waiting for. वेटिंग कैसे करेंगे. Find out more about the travel experience of tomorrow. And here so reference, यहाँ reference, इतने reference से हम वेबसाइट से लिए हैं. And my topic is completed.